To remove the seat fabric, first take off the sun canopy and attach the carry handle. Open the buckle behind the seat. Then detach the Velcro strap, securing the fabric to the bottom of the frame. Finally, remove the wooden board from the seat. To reinstall the seat fabric, first put the seat fabric over the frame, beginning at the head area. Next, place the wooden board back inside the fabric, then move down to the feet. Secure the Velcro attachment to the frame. And close the buckle behind the seat. To install the sun canopy, attach one clamp on one side. Guide the recline handle through the canopy opening at the back, and attach the second clamp. Attach the carry handle.